everybody. So in this video I'm going to show you OEM install of Windows XP Home Edition. Now what you're going to be seeing is when it first came out. So how do you tell the difference between Home and Pro? As of right now, you wouldn't be able to. So what you would do is you click Start, go to My Computer, right click and click Properties. So it's Windows XP Home Edition version 2002. This, what I am showing, is when you bought a computer brand new. So this is on a virtual PC because I couldn't get it to work on the real hardware because I didn't want to go find third-party drivers to do what I wanted to do. So, as of right now, you wouldn't know unless you right-clicked My Computer. Well, let's say the computer is off, and let's say you're helping your grandparents. So, you ask them, what edition of Windows XP do they have? Well, I don't know. Right, so you turn on the computer that they have and you're waiting. I left the disk in there, so that's why it's reading that. Oh, and you go, oh, Home Edition, but you're not paying attention. You're paying attention to that bars going across the screen. And if you notice, they were green. They gave Windows XP Professional and Windows XP Home Edition its kind of own thing. So it was green. Oh, Home Edition. Ooh. So if someone will go, hey, you know, that green thing, you will automatically go, oh, Windows XP Home Edition. But when Service Pack 1 came out, it changed that to blue, just like Windows XP Professional. Here is why. Let me grab a pen and paper, and I will show you why. Windows XP had a major flaw. XP Home Edition, I should say, had a major flaw. Okay, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. Now, what you see, have me drawn here, is I drew basically what the driver.cab file is. Now, I've seen this happen firsthand. XP Pro has, when it first came out, had a bigger driver.cab file. More generic drivers than XP Home Edition. Now, here's what happened. My middle school has a fitness center, okay? But mind you, this is 2002, and all the computers came with Home Edition. Well, they were trying to apply updates to do it, and it wasn't accepting. I said, you guys need Pro. So they got in contact with somebody, and had Pro came in and solved the problem. Here's why. As I stated, XP Home driver.cab file is a lot smaller. So when you apply Service Pack 1 to XP Home Edition, right? Now they're the same thing. But unfortunately, the styling, that green, those three bars that are green don't exist anymore. Here's why. What they did is the same update they use for both. Now, when you're in Windows Update, it says, oh, this, let's say update 123. It says Home Edition. Well, you have a computer that runs Pro and it has that 123. It's the same update. What the Windows server's update server is doing, this is just detecting the system you're running. It says, yeah, it's for home, but it's for both. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go on Internet. Okay, I might not be able to. Let's go to hardware. Anyway. Yeah, network adapters. Okay, that's why it's having that problem. Okay. So what would happen is you would do it and it would turn blue. Why is that? As I stated, it's the same kind of thing that it was doing. So basically, I showed how to install it, so I'll be right back after this has been updated. Okay, I am back. I got all the updates I needed to do. So now, once again, you helping your grandparents out. They do the updates. Oh, do you have Service Pack 3 installed? You go, I don't know. So you're in a desktop environment, and you go into there, and you're like, yes, this is okay. This is good. This is good. Now, what I want to show you is when it starts up. You notice it just says Microsoft Windows XP? That's what any Service Pack will do to Windows XP Home. So just to recap here, Windows XP Home Edition. You noticed it was blue and it didn't say Windows XP Home Edition on the boot splash. Here's, as I stated, the same update is for both. So they just call it Windows XP. So what's nice about the Service Packs is I had a problem with one of my computers way back, right? And I put Service Pack 3, I had a bunch of question marks. So I put Service Pack 3 on there and it solved part of the problem. Now this it won't, because this is a virtual PC, but on a real PC hardware it will solve that problem. That's what the updates do. So basically what happened was is streamlined. You have XP Home Edition, as I stated, and XP Professional. Those updates streamline it, so they just call it Windows XP. So anyway, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.